Back to the PSG game, but there were so many things to learn from that game.
Here is Romero trying to
come out. He clashes with the legs.
It's his second league goal for the Andalusians, making no mistake. And here is Vargas, the flag stays down, Ruben Vargas, and Romero calling for it, and this time he scores. Barcelona winning possession back, Pedri, beautiful ball into Marcus Rashford. What a goal that is from Barcelona. And he's brought down, and immediately Adnan Januzaj is... And he's missed it. I think it was right in front of Pedri when he took that free kick. That shouldn't have been allowed, but it is. Here is Adams. He brings the ball down very nicely indeed and finishes. Sevilla look to come forward. And Carmona is onside. He's been pushed wide. He'll go for goal and fine. And Ejuke here. Akor Adams wants it and he finishes it off.